Blinken, you come India, you know very well. Ami Bera, you are all well known very well. Whole world is watching UK and USA, Australian, Indian Prime Minister, all politician role playing as a criminal, not the Kalash or Bogas. Those factors will be later on, but I don't believe that they are Bogas or Kalash, but they are knowingly doing crime. That crime, and they are obviously incompetent. They are obviously incompetent and ordinary people, just a criminal, supporting, excuse, cleverity, telling lies, rude, betrayal, sabotage, keeping facts suppressed and telling to defeating truth and arguing and suppressing other people, communication, speech, reports, records to be the fear of the speech. This is, you are ordinary people. You are very ordinary people. Joy be there. You are Satan. So many evil, devil, digital, carcinogenic, virus. আমি virus produce করলাম আমি করণ because they have people killed that 1 million people of Mexican Gulf surrounding from India, and there is no records of the people who have been killed and however the people they have used as experiment and animal for giving passage of virus. You does not know minimum concept of the epidemiology of the virus. In this way, the virus can be produced in the natural. Other peoples to talk about that virus has to be and has been controlled and will be well managed. That is very bogus for the Indian idiot chaiwala. Or you are a criminal lawyer, you are idiot, you are son of witches, bitches, liars. All the devils are surrounding, dancing on or sea, ocean or stage, shooting, etc. Improvised device, you are taking your identity, National Geography, NASA or NOAA, or your commerce, trade, that is the recreation facilities, etc. The barbarism, that uncivilized, that idiots, that cheats, that intel, that carcinogen product, that your labs of the biosafety. For labs is being misused, and you are allowing the private. If you are that government, it's nothing to do with your this critical the virus, etc. has to be stopped. You before asking China, the first you people you see the what are who are doing bioengineering. How many scientists are doing wrongly bioengineering and which are funding and which are like? If it is those stuff out of verification, scrutinizing, auditing, and the digital system is horribly hacked, and your system, English language, so many people, expert you have developed this thing. Only the chips is that excuse, and so many the people are misusing the digital and the ocean. Or same this type of virtual facilities that people you are like ordinary idiot, culprit, incapable, just like Boris Johnson, idiot. Idiot is a bogus. The queen that unless it is a witchcraft, Satan. That so many people have been and this setup of undersea. You have captured the whole world in illegal manner. You have tortured. You have acquire curses, acquire that the use of sin that you have to pay. Because I do not tolerate Sujay. Sujay Singh Digar is the digital criminal. Tamakna, Anjan, Samar, Gumar, Santos, Paritos, Mahitos, Devatos, Bhavatos, Chittatos, Dipad Bhanjan, Atul, Pratul, Sakhin, Tujat, Tukhai, Taksas, Samrat, Bose, etc. All this, that Erickson, other peoples who are on the NOAA, the National Oceanography Administrative Authority, that evils and devils of the scientists. There's so many the peoples. You are Australian Prime Minister. You are also Moore is a very dishonest, immodest, is criminal. You are criminal. You are suppressing the facts. You are ignoring me. You does not have that multidisciplinary knowledge at the basic. Because I am sitting from this hour, art penetrating vision, and that all the records being ignored. There is no religious, spiritual parallel and the scientific power parallel to me you are ignoring. When you are all the digital system communication, how that private company telecommunication, I am blaming digital system is being horribly misused and will be stopped and locked your all system. All the people has been hijacked by this evil and devils of Sujoy, Turkoi, or Koi, that is devil. And thousands of video, my Facebook, Twitter, emails, you have locked that Indian, that defense strategic analysis criminals. I am blaming these people have killed so many Indian best of the best fighters and the peoples are there, and the peoples who are the idiot criminals who have the captured UPS and all this supposed to come up this thing, and particularly in the Supreme Court, all the idiots. You are not knowing, you are just ordinary man, cannot take as a dishonest, integrity so pure, then is a competence. Competence is at all not there. You are Durjan, Dusta, Adham, among most it is the criminal. You are so greedy of your enjoyment in criminal manner. It is your India-like country where this type of home rule, it is this, that the wrong criminals. So many people have dancing. When that word is faggy word is being used, that you have to give the top of honor. That what kind of respect is people's need. You are idiot like that Chai wala Rahul Gandhi like Bogas idiot. Kutte ke bachche. He is a kutte ke bachche criminal who will live. They does not know the peoples are the India-like country where the mass population, brains, faculty is there, and low money, everybody is running at the 200 or below 200 rupees wages per day, or 100 rupees even. The people is not getting 20 rupees per day earnings go, but these people can be used in a various way to create that watchdog, that is the people, the guard, that verifier, that auditor, that worker, that is and that to stop that corruption, that crime and the digital system. How can go to the private organism, the telecommunication, drug, that monitoring or vaccine production, etc., or diagnostic, whatever may be, and the critical pathogen. When I am blaming, I am as a virologist expert. Nobody is parallel to me on the earth is surviving. You people are idiot, ordinary people, and the politics, it does not know anything about and science and technology complications. You are just idiot, bogus, culprit criminals. How you are remaining Biden in your post? You just resign in your post. At least 100 people will be there. So people, that government has to verify that scientifically their integrity is too much, and each and every week their integrity has supposed to be, and they have to scientific debate with this all the disorder and this crime, what this horrible scientific method or basic principle for human killing, mass killer weapons, etc. You are all people, veterans and all that are just doing sabotage against the other people, particularly Indian leftist criminals who cannot be reliable at all, who have left India. Particularly, and you are not listening me. People are so many, my girls and students, peoples are kidnapped in the Caribbean or Mexican, Canada, etc. places, and they have been no communication to our country, and our country's people is not. And so many videos, how you can ignore. How you idiot, you are just idiot criminal pleader. You too, your government, I have given so many videos, but you are not looking me. And in which I am day and night at an exhaustive state of the people from your underneath, your supply system idiot. You are just ordinary culprit, Satan, black seed, evil's boy, devil's idiot, monster, shuarera bacha. Shala Khan Kir bacha, if you does not know Bengali, you are idiot, culprit, criminal. You are Indian, you are criminal. Kamala Harris is a Bagbas. Ami Bera, you ask, Ami Bera. That public has what he has told me. I am public health expert. Although I have left this science reading at least 30 or 40 years, I have no connection with, because I have no connection with your total reach of your search engine, etc. I am the novelist. No people can think of the novel definition, what will start and the religions or science or truth, etc. You are just doing bakbas with some keeping some good words, language, phrases, and the sentence, moral, etc. words. Democrat senator just are doing crime through this word keeping, taking these guys and remaining as a culprit, palpative that you have to be kicked, thrown with these legs and on your chest, and your throat will be taken and your collar will be and with hanged with your hair on your head. You have just to be hanged till to the death. You are so criminal. You are incompetent to say to this. No. You just doing crime or doing in a wrong way. You have been saying that criminals, and those criminals, you are misusing you people and excuse you like just liars and cheaters. Why I have so much videos and that record you today, you are not following. You are doing bugbar. I have mentioned about these people in Mexico missing of that more than 10 lakh people of people are exploited, killed by the surrounding people of the Mexican Gulf, that of the criminals, the horrible that people are doing very criminal activity. Boris Johnson is the idiot. He's a criminal. Knowingly, because he is having how the Priti Patel, who is a criminal Magi, is so safe on the US in down office, that criminal Magi, or Kamala Harris like that criminal. An Indian, that Modi, I cannot tolerate this Ramlal Kovind.